Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Back from a little holiday hiatus. So today is June 26th, Thursday. So we are hitting new all-time highs on the NQ. So let's mark that first, I guess. So we had this weekly imbalance candle here. That was December 16th peak here. And now we're breaking above that previous day high, previous all-time high, I should say. So previous all-time high path. Now let's go back to the daily. Right here. Put it over here. Okay, let's go to our ranges now. So to Thursday, go back to Monday. So Monday's range. So nice candle up here, barely any wicks here at all on the daily, and let's mark out yesterday's range. Here, small wick test this wick here. Let's bounce off. Don't need to mark that. Go to the 4-hour chart. So this was yesterday's high. Stay high. First all-time high down here. First low. So we had this is a 4-hour order block here. Bring it down. See it here. Let's say mark this one. Block here. So liquidity here. down here. Fair value gap here. Pushing into all-time highs here. Let's go down like that 15-minute tour sessions here. What? High, low. Low. London high. London low. These are the excuse me. So we took out these previous days' highs. 11's pushing up. We are pretty bullish. I mean, we are. Pushing to new all-time highs. No resistance overhead. Yeah, not looking for shorts. Too late for a long. Nothing clear right now. I have to wait for New York open.
California coast, driving too fast, but we talk real slow. I don't wanna go home without you. Through arcades and the crashing waves, 10 miles back on the PCH. I don't wanna go home, just can't do without you.
We'll see how London, if we do lose, maybe previous day high, maybe down short to Asia, very short, but for a long, just pushing higher and higher. Yeah, so that's market review. It's nothing clear to me right now for just pushing up the new all-time highs. All right, take care.